Alright, today we got a 2000, anywhere from 2000 to 2003 Acura TL. You'll be able to, we're going to install the radio, Kenwood doubled in, and a whole amplifier system. It's going to be all kickers. I mean, the system's going to be kickers. So, I'll be honest with you, I haven't done this one before. So, but from the looks of it, you're going to have to remove this part out. I'm gonna check and see if there's any screw down here I have to remove. Nope. So first thing first, I'm gonna try to pry this thing out lightly. Like I said, I haven't done this before, but it should be fine. Just lightly remove this. Just easy, really lightly. It doesn't look that hard. I thought it was harder than that. But this is how you remove this radio, and then the installation is next. So these are Phillips, so I'm gonna remove this Phillips right here. This, wow, I might have to remove all of this out. Grab my Phillips. So got my Phillips. I know I'm gonna have to take this. I'm gonna start taking out from here first, and then I'm gonna move it, see what else I need to take out. I usually put the screw down here, and I know I have to take this out. There's 4 of them on the radio itself, but it looks like I have to remove all of this right here. So I'm gonna take that out. I'm gonna take the first 4 next to each other, then one right here. 2, 3, and 4. Whew, look like I might have to take more than this. Let me try to get this out too. A lot of screw right here. That's Acura. I'm telling you, that is a lot of screw. And this screw on the side right here. Oh, okay. I guess I'll be able to move this out too. I might have to move this out to pull the radio out too. I don't know, but it's definitely a lot of screw right here. So now I'm gonna shake it and see what else I need to take out. This one, we're gonna have to pry it out. Let me see if I can pry this out a little bit. Nope, not moving at all. So we definitely gonna have to move this out. So I'm gonna go that side. I'm gonna take this 2 screw out right here. I'm gonna try to pry it out and see what I need to take out. Making sure to be able to see the camera. So I got this screw right here. There's 1, there's 2 right there. You have to remove. And then, whew, there's a lot of screw. Uh-oh, it's locked. So most likely you're gonna have to remove this out too in order to pull this out. But I'm gonna try it out right here first. Yeah, gotta get that out. So there's 2 screws right here. One. That ain't easy, guys. When you work on the older car, people think, oh, the old car easy. No, it ain't. It's not that easy. So I got that out. I'm gonna leave it down here so the screw don't move. So this look like you had to pull it this way. So you see what else? Wow. Looks like I had to do a lot of work. Well, I cheated. I kind of pulled this thing out right here. You can see, pull that out. And then I'm gonna bend this a little bit instead of take the whole thing out. And shake it like this and pull it out. Right there. That's out. So yes, you're gonna have to take, you see this screw right there? I'm gonna move the camera in. This is hold the radio. One of this, I don't know which one's hold the radio, but definitely one of these right here. And then one on the top. Right there. That's a lot of screw right there. So we got these two, same thing as that other side. Actually, you're gonna have to remove that out too in order to get this part out. So you're gonna have to take these fuse panel, not fuse panel, the side panel, the fuse. So now, making sure there's no other screw. Yep, just pry that out easy, lightly, not too much. It's got so much stuff in here. And there's another screw right here on the bottom. Whew, so many screws. And then same as this side, it's going to be a little bit, some of it is a little bit hard to do, but you can still pry it. Wow, that is a lot of work. Every time you're working on Acura. Right there, it's all clipped. So once I got this clip out, same process. There's another screw right there on the bottom. Right there, you can see it right here. That last screw right there, and then it should fall out. So once it fall out, you're gonna remove this two right here, that and that. And I don't think you have to take this out, but I'm gonna take this part out first, see if it's loose a little bit. All right, yes, you're gonna have to remove this, all of these out. Everything from here had to be out. All right, you're gonna have to get that out too. There's two right there, right here. Grab that up, pull that out. Once this two screw out, lift this thing up like this, and then everything should move out right there. I don't know why this thing don't want to come out. Well, something ain't right. I'll leave the screw right there. All right. Oh, okay. It's got this little clip like this. Just kind of lift it up a little bit and push it down and pull it out. I'm gonna leave it like that. There's wire right there in there. You have to be careful. Don't pull the whole thing out. I'll leave it like that. I'm not gonna touch it. So now you'll be able to pry this out. See if there's any screw, anything I had to do. I might have to remove that part too, just to lift it out a little bit. Let me try it first. Yeah, you will need to pry this out right here. Pry that out, put it up there on the top so you know where they are at. And then, oh, there's some more screw right there. I bet there's a screw in that part right there, so I'm gonna pry that out too. All right, there's more work to it. You're gonna have to take this two out right there. There, 1 and 2. This is a Phillips. Take that out, and then you're gonna pry this out. Like I said, when you pry this thing out, just be careful. Use something soft because this thing is really fragile. I say fragile, but it's saying something else. It's I don't know what that is. I'm prying that out and see if there's a screw or anything on there. I did see this 2 screw right there by the OSB. What is that called? Gosh. OBDI. Yep. We need to remove this right there. So it's kind of feeling loose a little bit because I tried everything else. It didn't seem like it want to come out. So there's another one over here that I seen. No wonder why nobody posts this on YouTube, because it ain't easy. It's hard to video and everything. There's a lot of screw. So much screw. I should be able to move a little bit. Yep, I'll be able to move now. Yep, you have to take that 2 off right there. I was trying everything else. I tried this and it didn't seem like it wanted to come out. So now, let me see what I had to do. Yep, I can pull that out a little bit so I can pull the whole radio out because this is only right there. Now pry this out, just kind of pull it to a side a little bit right there. And then play with it again. Oh yeah, it's coming out. It's coming out. So that one, let me see. So you're gonna have to remove all this thing out right here, kind of push it down and pull it out a little bit step by step, and use the flathead or the tool that I mentioned earlier. Push it down, work around it, you know, work around it like that. As hard as this to take out, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna trim it right here. I'm gonna break this plastic out, that side, and then this side, so I can just pry it out without moving everything. That's too much work. So I use the oscillating tool and cut it right there, and then just pry it out. Hopefully it come out easy. And push this down while you're prying it out. Push the whole bottom piece down and pry it out. So what I did, step on the brake, turn the key on, step on the brake, and pull it straight out right there. It will come out. You don't have to take this whole piece out. That's too much work. I'm struggling, sweating. I mean, it's 60 degrees outside anyway, but I'm sweating. Once you got it out, it's easy. Push that clip right there and pull it out. The same as this one. There's a clip on the bottom. Push it upward and pull it out. Voila, and the radio is out. Whew. Leave it in the back for now. And then get the mounting kit and put this thing in. And like I said, this is fine right there. What you're seeing right now, it's not going to hurt anything. I didn't break any of this piece, just right here. The screw will hold it anyway. I did look around to see if there's any better way to do this without me cutting this part out right here. There's no other way. The whole thing has to come out. And if you're gonna do this, you're gonna spend at least another hour trying to do that. So no for me. It's a cut right here and cut right here. I'm losing money. I charge the same as the other car. I didn't realize it was this hard and this difficult.
The Buckeyes shoot 53% in the first half. They lead at 41-37.